This is Huawei Nova 11, and today I would like to show how you can add an event to calendar on this device. So first order of business is to find and launch the calendar app. So here it is. Then you will need to select the date you would like to set your event on, then tap at this plus icon, and here is make sure that you are in the event option. So there are two options. You can either set the important day or event, then fill out all the details such as title, location, timeframes, repetitiveness, reminders, importance, accounts it will be saved to, description or time zone, then save it, and here is the result. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.